Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Ferrari 488. First, take time to understand the cockpit layout and all the controls. The Manatino dial on the steering wheel offers different driving modes, so get familiar with each setting. Begin with wet or sport mode for a smoother introduction. Practice gentle acceleration and braking to get a feel for the car's responsiveness before pushing its limits. The Ferrari 488 features a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. Use the paddle shifters for precise and engaging gear changes, especially when accelerating hard. Smooth steering inputs are crucial, particularly at higher speeds, to maintain control of this powerful machine. Remember, the car boasts 661 horsepower, so respect its capabilities and drive responsibly. Safety is paramount when driving a high-performance vehicle like the 488. Always drive within your personal skill level and adapt to current road conditions. Regularly check your tire pressure. Around 30 psi is a good general guideline for optimal performance and safety. Reserve the more aggressive race mode for track use, where you can safely explore its full potential. The Ferrari 488 can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.0 seconds, offering exhilarating performance. For advanced handling and cornering techniques, consider professional instruction on a closed course to truly master the car's dynamics. Remember, practice makes perfect, especially with such a sophisticated vehicle. Also, for those who love to read, check out the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.